Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment, your #1 channel for entertainment news and celebrity gossip happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show, Aunty saved JayKech from eviction at the expense of ObiEbi. The second round of viewer power is currently ongoing at the inaugural edition of Ultimate Love as Aunty finally exercised her power. ObiEbi, after smelling danger a few days ago in the first live eviction, which saw them taking 4th position out of 5, are on that eviction lane again, as personal preference and individual decision did favour them. Reality show moderator, popularly referred to as Aunty, took another controversial by giving JayKech technical support to remain in the love pad, even when it appears that ObiEbi gave their best in the Monday task. According to Aunty, Obichukwu is overprotective and does not give Ebite space rather than controlling her, which is somehow contrary to what Aunty did in week 3. Recall that Aunty saved Jeritin instead of Chivia based on synergy and chemistry, which made some viewers accuse the organizers and their face led to Aunty as being partial. The voting lines have been opened with Bola, ObiEbi, Double Chris, Chivia, Jello, Jeritin and Roxy up for eviction. It should be noted that one or more of the nominated couples will be evicted from the Ultimate Love on Sunday live checkout show. So guys, there you have it. Please stay tuned to my channel for more updates on Ultimate Love.